Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Natasha Sasabila Sukanen Putri. I'm from 9A. On this occasion, I want to explain how to make slime. First, what is the purpose of making slime? Making slime was meant to relieve stress, relieve emotion, and eliminate frustration. Why? Because it's in the process when we make slime, make our sense of stress instantly gone. Next, tools to make slime, you should have 3 spoons to mixing slime, 2 paint and 2 glue, 1 bowl to the place of making slime, 1 jar as a place to store slime, and 1 glass as water containers. And materials to make slime, we should have borax or gum, clear glue, white glue, water, paint, and perfume. But paint and perfume are optional. And next, step by step to making slime. First, prepare the tools and materials to make slime. Then, put the white glue and clear glue into the bowl. Then, mix the glue with a spoon. After mixing well, put water in the glue dough using a different spoon. Then mixing well. Then put gum or borax in the slime dough. Then mix until the texture not sticky. The texture of slime dough has started not sticky. Give paint on the slime. Then mix well. After slime and paint are mixed well, add perfume to give it all a good smell. Then mix. And yeah, it was ready, be played out and stored in jar. Wow. Thank you for me. I'm sorry if I have a lot of mistake. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.